Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us learn new technique by Vedic Maths. That is, we'll learn multiplication by base method. Let us check it. Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn base method multiplication. And we'll see how to multiply any number. First, let us take an example where we will multiply two numbers which is less than 50. First of all, let us take one example. Here we write 46 in such a way and 48 just below it, and let us show it first in detail. How far is 46 from 50? It is 4 away from 50, and 48 is 2 away from 50. Now we are going to multiply this. That means 4 into 2 is 8. We'll write 0 here, and we'll see the difference of in a cross way, in this way or in this way, or sum. We can see 46 minus 2 is 44, or 48 minus 4 is 44. It is 44. This 44 we shall divide it by 2. That means there are two parts here, left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side we have to divide it by 2. So after dividing it, we get the answer as 2208. That means when we multiply 46 with 48, we get 2208. Let us take another example. So 47 is 3 away from 50, and 48 is 2 away from 50. So 3 to just 6, and we write a 0 here. The difference between 47 and 2 is 45, 48 and 3 is 45. So we write 45 divided by 2. That is, we get 22 here, and remainder 1 will go up here, and we'll divide this 10 by 2. So we get 10 and 6. You can try another example. 43 into 45. Please comment below with the answer. Now let us see another case when the numbers are more than the base. Suppose, let me take an example here. 56 is 6 more than 50, and 54 is 4 more than 50. So 6 4 are 24, and we make a sum of this 56 and 4, or 54 or 6. Both gives an same answer, 60. 54 plus 6 is 60. 56 plus 4 is 60. Then we divide it by 2 to get the answer will be here 30, 24, which is the product of 56 and 54. Now let us take another case. Let us take an example. 52 into 48. 52 is 2 away from 50. 48 is 2 less than 50. Here what we will do is plus into minus will be minus. So 2 2 are 4. This minus 4. 52 minus 2 is 50. 48 plus 2 is, we can write in this way. So we divide 50 by 2 to get 25. From this 25 we subtract 1 to give it this side. So this will make 100 minus 4. So after subtracting it, we get it here 24, and here we get it 96. 56 multiplied by 43. Please check this answer. and give me the answer in the comment section. Hello everyone. Here in this case of base method multiplication, let us take the example of 100 now. Below the base, that means below 100. So if we take an example, let us take an example 96 multiplied by 92. When we multiply this, we make it a part. 96 is 4 away from 100. 92 is 8 away from 100. So 8 4 is 32. Now the difference of these two, 96 minus 8 will be 88, or 92 minus 4 will be 88. So this will be our answer, 8832. Another example. So 96 is 4 away from 100 and 99 is 1 away from 100. So 4 1s are 4. Since the base has got 2 0, we'll write a 0 here. 96 minus 1 is 95, or 99 minus 4 will be 95. So the answer will be 9504. Appears. Let's take an example. We multiply 108 with 104. So this is 8 more than 100 and this is 4 more than 100. So we multiply these two to get 8 4 is 32. Number of digit here on the right hand side is equal to the number of zeros in the base. Now we add this in a cross way. 108 plus 4 is nothing but 112. Or let us take another example. So let us multiply this one. 2 away from 100 and here it is 3 away from 100. So 3 to just 6. To make it equal with the zeros of the base, we write here a 0 and we add it in a cross way, this way or that way, it will give the same. So 102 plus 3 it is 105. So the answer is 10506 after multiplication. This is a short trick where we multiply. You can check another example or you can give me the answer in the comment. It's very simple. Can be given 105 multiplied with 102. You can give the answer in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.